When choosing to buy a small lightweight diesel generator, users need to consider many factors. For example, how much power to buy, what brand of diesel generator set to buy, and so on. If purchased improperly, will suffer heavy losses. So the choice of diesel generators is to be carefully considered. Today, Dimple Power will introduce this 20 kW Yuchai diesel generator set for you. Yuchai generator stable and reliable, quality deeply favored by users. Is widely used in military, civilian, marine and other fields. The genset has a compact structure, small volume, lightweight, easy, one-sided maintenance, NVH optimization, low noise, low vibration, reaching the advanced level of similar international models. And the genset adopts electronically controlled fuel injection system. Turbine then the air passage is small, porous small orifice injector. Good performance, high economic efficiency, and many other advantages. If you are considering buying a diesel generator, you can't go wrong by choosing Dimple Power. Dimple can customize 30 kW 3000 kW diesel generator sets with various specifications, such as ordinary, automatic, for protection, automatic switching, 3 remote monitoring, low noise, mobile, automatic grid, connection systems, etc.